one of my favourite songs way back when we first saw Nick Jones, and it's Like to Kill Bit, a very simple song but a lovely song. In the heat of the day, when the sun shines so freely, I met Master Kilby, so fine and so gay. Well, I took off my hat and I bowed to the ground, and I said, Master Kilby, oh, where are you gone? Well, I'm bound for the west in hopes to find rest in the arms of my Nancy. I will build a new nest. And if I was the master of 10,000 pounds in bright gold and bright silver, or in King William's crown, I would part with it all, with me own heart so dearly. It's all for the love of my lovely Nancy. Fairest of all, she's the choice of my heart, and her skin shines like silver in every part. I gave her some kisses, 'twas down by the seashore, but still she lay asking for more. In the heat of the day, when the sun shines so freely, I met Master Kilby, so fine and so gay, so fine and so gay, so fine and so gay.